Responsibility. She said you need to be responsible, get a good job and try to earn money, act like an adult, work hard, don't waste your precious years on something stupid. I asked her, you know the meaning of irresponsibility? Do you know the price you have to pay while living the life no one will understand? No, you don't. You live this life where you want to be successful, earn money, find someone who will be with you for a life. What it takes is a hard work, patience, and I know how hard it is. And I will always be proud of you for achieving what you think is a success. But it takes a courage not to do a job everyone wants you to do. It takes more courage to stand up to your parents and tell them about your real dreams, the dreams that don't let you sleep. It takes a bravery to stand up when you fail at achieving your dreams, to fall from the nearest point of the summit only to find out that there is no one at the base to give you a shoulder, no one with a warm hug or at least some encouraging words, no one to pat your back for your efforts. And you know what? No one applauded the effort unless you have succeed. No one wants to see your struggle unless you have succeed. And I have been there. I have been alone at the base of the mountain with no one around after the fall, picking the broken pieces and patting myself for the hard work I did. I don't know what responsibility means. Truly, I don't. But I know how to pick someone up when they are down. I know what working hard for your dreams mean. I know what it takes to build yourself again when everything has fallen apart, even after trying from the deepest corner of the heart. But as you said, I don't know what responsibility means. Seriously, I don't want to know what it means. I'm okay being irresponsible, trying to be someone who I always wanted to be. Do you know what is responsibility? Responsibility means I can do things on my own. When I turn it on, I turn it off. When I unlock something, I lock it up. When I drop something, I pick it up. When I open something, I close it. When I make a mess, I clean it up. When I find something, I return it. When I borrow something, I give it back. When I take something out, I put it back. When I am assigned a task, I complete it. When I earn money, I spend it wisely. When I give my word, I keep it. I choose to be responsible in my own way. So stop judging me because you were not there when I was struggling. My few friends don't understand Hindi. That is why I tried something in English. Hope you would like it. You were listening Mausam Ki Baatein with Mosmi. I'll catch you soon with lot of stories.